Birthdays are weird. You wake up the same person, but somehow you're expected to feel new. So today, I decided I'm not just celebrating, I'm experimenting.
Inadmit na may full tong shenanigans.
This is my friend Ira. She doesn't know it yet, but she's gonna have to experience a very unique side quest that demands so much from her. Obviously, she gave me a gift as a birthday gift of some sort, but I was here to catch her off guard and be my partner in creating one of the weirdest side quests one can ever have when it comes to birthday rituals. And she doesn't know it yet, but she's up for a challenge. It seems weird at first to have birthday rituals, right? I mean, as a 27-year-old, I'm officially 27 because it's now 12:54 in the morning, making a list that is going to conclude with the ritual that I'll be doing. And for the past 26 birthdays I had, I did it for myself. Now I'm doing it with a friend. I don't know why it's with her, but I feel like she's up for the challenge and she's the best candidate for this, the ritual that we'll be performing. You know that kind of person who can turn the most random moments into a full conversation? Yep, that's Ira Banca. She can talk about anything and somehow she always does. If you give Ira Banca 5 seconds of silence, she will fill it with thoughts you didn't even know you needed to hear. She yaps a lot about everything and somehow it works. Equal parts chaotic, curious, and unexpectedly comforting to be around. Some people wait for things to happen. Ira Bianca talks her way into them. So here it is, the ritual. So I usually start my day, right, not knowing what to do because today there is a sadyang itinerary we'll be doing, and it involves actually 6 steps or 6 items as I would want to call it. And Ira Bianca is going to do it with me, and it's going to be one of the most interesting thing to happen today, one of the most difficult things to happen, but nonetheless it's going to be a fun day. And I'm gonna update you guys when we're now on item number 1. So this is now my pre-game, before the pre-game of item number 1. And ang una kong gagawin for my birthday is papagupit. Siyempre, para presentable naman ako sa maarte kong friend na si Ira. So, hindi ko pa nagagawa yung pre-game. Kasama ko yung kapatid ko. Jollibee gabi. Lalakarin namin kasi we're poor. And look, fresh cut.
Oo. Alam mo kasi may video.
Ay, nandyan sila. Hindi ko kayo. Thank you. Thank you. Sabi ko, wag na kayo pumunta. Okay, nag-start na yung phase 1. Kasama ko na si Ira. At talaga nag-dress siya ngayon.
Hindi ko dress ba yun?
I mean, she dressed well. Hindi mo ba napansin na bagong cut ako ngayon?
Kasi kakastart ko palang maglakad.
Okay.
Pero kung susama ko yung ngayon.
Ano siya? Para siyang riding clothes. We came in a bit of a hurdle. Kasi kami ay naulanan. Okay ka lang ba?
No comment.
Pinatakbo niya ako, guys. Sabi yun. Buti na lang grabber.
Nakita mo yung ulan.
Naman bakas. We're down to item number 1 and mag-order muna kami. Okay, so nagawa namin yung first. Ang pinili niya sa akin, pinili mo sa akin? Affogato. And mag-orange Americano siya. Yes! Wala magagawa birthday ko eh.
Oo na.
Okay. That's a weird, Okay, so this is how my birthday starts. We made a deal. She drinks coffee, which she doesn't like, and I drink something that she orders for me, which I wouldn't like as well. Fair exchange of suffering, I guess. She's the kind of person that, who doesn't really get tired of talking. And the weird part is, I also didn't get tired when she's talking. Wait, pwede mo yung coin ko sa pocket.
Random mo, te. Dito ba? Guys, may nakita ko. Ano? Paano ko mag-ganon kasi may drinks tayo? Pwede bang dirahin ko na lang?
Hindi So magde-decide kami kung left or right gamit yung coin. That's the item number 2.
Mapulutin ko pa ito lang, alcohol.
Akin na yan. Okay, hindi ko muna bibidyo. Alright, nasa item number 4 na kami. Medyo na-late kami on peak pero at least napainom ko siya ng coffee. At nagpalit kami. Madaya siya kasi like...
Oh, gusto mo yan?
Hindi.
Birthday mo, binibigay ko yung gusto mo.
Hindi, pero pinalitan niya yung rules of the game. Pinalitan niya yung rules of the game and like ayaw niya magkaroon ng point. I mean, sinabi ko, pinalitan niya yung rules of the game. Okay, fine.
Mali mo yun. Papa-exam ka tapos na exam. Hindi guys, -1 pa rin kayo kasi...
Okay, fine. Okay. So, manonood kami ng Project Hail Mary. Saan natin siya makatulog? Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa item number 4 and nandito pa rin siya. Ay, you said yes to all of these. Tignan mo, may point siya.
Negative na dapat sa'yo, negative na.
Wala nga akong... May sinabi siya kanina na hindi dapat sinasabi out loud.
Wish pass.
Sige nga.
Ang ganda ko. Ano dapat sinasabi yun?
Maganda ba siya guys? Dito to, maganda siya, right? Okay, so ang rule dito ay pwede mag-share.
Simulan mo yung rule na yan tapos...
Hindi, nakalagay nga dito ay willingness to believe, no sleeping. Hindi, kaya mo yan. And then, popcorn diplomacy. Pwede kang humingi sa popcorn ko, pwede akong humingi sa'yo. O, di talo ka. Hindi hihingi nga ako, mag-reach out ako sa ano mo.
Ano ba? Lahat na lang kasi ng ayoko.
Hindi, kasi that's the rule. Anong point, diba? Making it like, have a twist for you. That's how you play the game.
Hindi sa akin lang yung twist sa'yo, wala eh.
Well,
pero natalo ko pa rin.
kanina pa siya salita sa movie.
Uy! Hindi
So what do you rate the movie?
8.
8?
-2 kasi shitty humans.
Humans or shitty?
Sorry guys.
Hindi, totoo. Look. Alright, natapos na namin yung item number 4. Inuna namin movie kasi wala naman kami lunch. Currently waiting for her at the bathroom. It was a nice movie. Perfect one. She's such a yapper and she lost. Okay, so we have been walking for a while now. No coin this time. No rules. I think this is my favorite part of the day when things stop trying to be interesting. Ira still has things to say, of course. I don't think she ever runs out, but it's different now. Slower, quieter. It's not loud. It doesn't try to impress you. It just settles.
Gamitin mo itong 37 ka ngayon. Then, make sure na by 28, you have something to reflect. Na,
Modified tayo na.
I mean, we could have. Hindi kita maano kasi ginagawa ko yung buhay ko kaya nga nagbuhay pa ako.
What do you mean?
Ginawa ko siya Bill.
Huh? Will you be mad at me if like I didn't take responsibility? Like,
kasi
parang sisisihin ko pa rin yung mundo, ganun.
you can blame the world for all the shit that na ginawa.
Somewhere along those moments, you're just aware that you'll probably remember all of this or not, but it doesn't matter because you'll be heading somewhere that I would try to go every year. It's a strange thing. You'll notice it in a short while. Okay, naka-stop over kami ngayon sa 7-Eleven. And we're gonna do the last ritual. I mean the ritual itself. Mission. Okay? And you're gonna find out later kung ano yun. We bought cake.
Oh, wala na tayo.
Hindi, siyempre hindi pa ano. And gagawin na namin. Ano lang. Kasi maglalaki na bukas. Masyado pa maganda si Ira, guys.
No.
Guys, making the impossible I should say, possible. So nandito kami ngayon sa border ng Benguet at Tangkarig. And Ira is at two places at the same time. Diba? Hindi na siya spatial temporal being. Diba? Thank you for making my birthday special. Pero ako dapat bida.
Ay, okay. Bibigyan na ba kita?
Oo.
Okay na ba natin yung cake? Ay, ganun.
Yes, let's do that.
Huwag mo mamatay. Please lang. Ayoko mag-put ng plate sa...
Masyadong OC tong friend ko. Alright. Okay na yan.
Hindi nga pa...
It doesn't need to be perfect.
Kailangan... Okay na yan.
Hindi madilim pang 0.5. Pero sige, 1 mo.
Happy birthday to you. Anong boses yun?
27.
Happy 27 Oh my gosh! Dude, you're getting old na. Oh,
I am
wala na
old.
sa kalendaryo. Hey.
The ritual has started.
Wait lang. This is the border from, Benguet to Carig. And look who we have here. The birthday boy!
Okay.
So,
2 candles for me and you.
wow.
And anything impossible can be possible.
Don't blame me ha kapag hindi matino tong ano ko. You only have 1 shot and you failed. Oh my gosh. Make a wish now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Okay na yung wish
you.
mo.
Ay, tapos na ba? Ito ba yan? Di pa nga tapos yung birthday song. Tapos
Okay,
na
wait.
agad. Okay, take 10. Happy birthday to you. Uy, blow mo na talaga, te. Sayang yung ano.
Thank you po.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, DJ. Ang tanda mo namin. Anong winish mo?
What
Di
was
na
that? Thank you.
Ano masabi mo?
This is so eventful. Sana masaya ka. At ikaw ang bida sa vlog ko na to.
Talaga.
Okay, balikan natin to.
Ayun na yun guys. Props na talaga. Ibabalik na namin to.
Hindi ko.
Actually, this cake was made by yours truly.
Okay na nga yung box. So, this is how the day ends. Not at the boundary, not at the moment I try to stand in 2 places at once, but here, with cake that's already been eaten and conversations that don't really have an ending. Ira's still talking, by the way. And I think that's how I'll remember today. In my own house. We spend so much time thinking big moments are the ones that matter. The milestones, the rituals, the things we plan. But sometimes it's this. A day that didn't try too hard to be anything, just a series of small, strange, honest moments shared with someone who never needed to be anything other than herself.
Ano kasi?
Hindi na. So, finally natapos namin yung side quest. Thank you so much for being my willing victim.
Ay, willing ba?
Oo naman, you said yes.
Recorded ba to?
Oo.
Willing daw. Willing ba?
Willing victim ka, right? And nandito ka pa sa bahay ko na may well.
Yeah. Ano ka pa tinitignan?
So, thank you. And the ritual has been finished and I couldn't thank you enough. Sana hindi ka muna mamatay.
I-cut off mo yan.
Sorry, I mean, I couldn't thank you enough. Sana manatili ka pa rin kaibigan ko for the rest of the next 27 years of my life.
Wow. Okay, may expiration siya. So, sige natin.
Mali mo, like 20 years na lang lifespan.
Wow.
Ano masasabi mo sa araw ko na to?
Ayun, walang araw. Masabi na ito ng araw, walang... Uy, meron silang ano.
Okay na nga. I'll cut you
Pakita
off.
mo yun. Wala lang, astig lang. Passion fruit daw. Laki ng passion fruit. Ano na?
Miracle.
Okay na. Scan.
Ano yung dilemma mo sa fountain?
So, ano?
Hindi mo pupuno yan.